For our country, Nigeria. We must pray for the whole nations. Because of every rain that may want to affect some things in the country, especially in Lagos. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. Pray over it. In Lagos and in other countries, the heavy rain that take away the whole house. Let's pray over it.
Every time we take claim, so we get a land. The owner of land don't come collect them. My landlord they pursue me for house every day. Come out from my house. Now the water don't even pursue and come out from your house. There is God. This flood will come, not be only the poor it affects. Both the poor and rich, now they suffer.